Take out the main body of the instrument and accessories. Open the clip at the back of the instrument. Align the handle connector with the instrument's connection hole. Insert it and finally fasten the clip. Replace the arc handle or cushion. Open the clasp. Pull out the previous handle and then align the arc handle or cushion connector with the instrument connection hole. Insert it and finally fasten the clasp. Connect the power cord. Turn on the switch. Automatic mode and manual mode selection. Automatic mode. Select gender. Select age. Select the corresponding operation part. Magnetic vibration wave intensity 0 to 100. Recommended 30 to 80. RF 0 to 100. Recommended 20 to 60. Time 0 to 60 minutes. Recommended 30 to 45 minutes apart. Each mode contains 6 different frequencies that switch automatically. The first 1 minute of each mode is a warm-up. Start button. Pause button. Select gender. Select age. Select the corresponding operating parts. Set F1, F2, F3 frequency. Enter the next interface. Magnetic vibration wave intensity. Recommended 30 to 80. Adjust the RF energy. Time 30 to 45 minutes for one part. F1, F2, F3 frequency cycle in turn. Tap V2 switch. Start button. Pause button. Remove the largest strap and tie it around your abdomen. Place the energy output area of the handles in the middle of the abdomen, avoiding the ribs on both sides. Adjusting the parameters. Tap to start. It can be operated lying down or sitting down, which is very convenient. Secure the handles to your arms with straps. Adjusting the parameters. Tap Start. Operate the other arm when time runs out. Attach the handle to the gluteus maximus with a strap. Adjusting the parameters. Press Start. After the time is over, operate the other hip. The handle is attached to the quadriceps muscle of the front leg with a strap. Adjusting the parameters. After the time has expired, operate the other leg. Arc handle operation. The curved handle is placed under the thigh and the back leg is operated. The arc handle is placed under the calf to operate the lower leg. The curved handle is placed under the thigh and the front leg is operated. The person lies on the bed and the curved handle is placed under the handle. The curved handle is secured to the handle with straps. Adjusting the parameters. Lie down on the bed and place the handles on the back in the shoulder position. Cushion use. Place the cushion on a chair or bed and sit on the cushion. Adjusting the parameters.